Kung maalala nyo, 2016, where was Rodrigo Duterte in the surveys? Nasa pinakababa. He was least expected na manalo for the presidency. But because the Filipino people believed in him, believe that we can make our country great, dahil sa tulong o sa kagustuhan ng mga ordinaryong mamamayang Pilipino, nakapaglagay tayo ng presidente that embodied yung ideals and aspirations ng bawat Pilipino. So, naniniwala ba kayo na kakayanin natin to? Okay na. Para saan yang laban sa PDP? Laban pag hindi tayo lumaban. Tayo ay lalaban talaga.